All right, so we got the handles glued on the bandsaw box drawers. I said they turned out pretty good. Looking pretty good. I've already started cleaning up a few, and then we got to wipe them down with denatured alcohol, and I got to clean up some of this glue that's around the handles. I got to clean that little spot up right there on the box itself, and some other edges as well. But looking pretty good. I think it's going to look really great once we get a finish on it. Very nice. We'll be back.